What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my canal. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just subscribe already. Gonna, for once, do my wave. I usually hate doing my hair. It takes up too much time. I hate dealing with my hair, to be honest. But I'll show you guys how I crimp it with my straightener. It's honestly pretty easy. I don't have a crimper. And I wanted to try it because I just trimmed my hair. I think it was last week or I don't know. That video. I'll link it right here. If not, I'll link it down in the description box so you guys can go check it out. I curled it that day of and then I straightened it. I wanted to see how it looks like crimped, so that's what we're gonna do. So the straightener I'm using is this one. It's from Babyliss, the Nano Titanium. I think this is a 1.5 inch. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And I love this fucking straightener, dude. Like, I use it to straighten my hair, to curl my hair, to crimp it, for all that good stuff. And I've been having it for years. Now, I've tried other ones, but this one's the best. So I'm just gonna untangle my hair. The part I hate doing the most. It's too much. So sometimes I apply oil or, well, yeah, no, or nothing, to be honest. I don't really put shit on my hair. But if I remember, I'll use this one. This is olive oil. I get it from Walgreens. And I just put like a little bit. I focus it mostly on the ends of my hair, because then I don't want it to be too oily from the top. I'm gonna grab half of my hair. So basically what I'm gonna do is, like, with the straightener, I'm just gonna go like in and out, in and out. So I'm going in and out, in and out. Do you guys see it? Okay, so I like, when you go like in like this, I like clamp the straightener, but then like when I go out, I kind of let it loose, you know? You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's do it. So I go really in and then I kind of let it go a bit, clamp it again. You see? But it's usually hella quick. I do this over curling my hair. It's because most of the times, I don't like how it comes out. That's why I don't really curl my hair. I like it when I have short hair only. I feel like that's when curly hair looks nice on me. The other day I curled it and it looked nice. But I did that with like a wand type of thing. I didn't do it with the straightener. And then, if anything, I'll just straighten my hair or do a fucking ponytail, dude. Cause the hair is not for me. Like, I could do my hair and do hairstyles and stuff, like, if I really take the time and all that. Like, I'm doing my makeup, and that takes a while. And then to do my hair, girl, I ain't got time for all that. So, you know, just in and out. You can hella hear Rita. So yeah, it's looking crimped. And then I'm gonna get like the middle section. Dude, you guys really need to try out this straightener. Like, this straightener is everything. You guys do get to try out this straightener. Let me know how it works for you. And then, should I do the middle or the side? I think I'm gonna just do the middle. Should I do the middle? I always end up doing the middle. Dun, dun. Okay, so this is the look. I mean, you could just leave it like this, but then what I do is, well, first I check if I need to fix anything. If I missed a hair, I get some Tresemme mousse. I get just a little bit, and then I just pat it down. I be having hella flyaways. I get a little bit more. I just put it around, and like kind of like you'd be scrunching it. That way, like the hair stays crimped, you know. You could give it some texture. I mean, just fix it however you want to. So this is how it looks. But yeah, that's how I straighten my hair. That's how I crimp my hair with my straightener. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on social media. I will see you guys. Oh, shit. I'll see you guys next time. I'm ready to go get lit.